Hello and welcome to part 2 of my presentation on Local Issue Tracker. This is an app that allows citizens to log issues in their area with their local council. So the app was built with Jetpack Compose and uses Firebase for auth, database and storage. I'll mainly be focusing on new features added to the app since the first video. So opening the app, first shows a splash screen with the apps icon followed by the overview screen. Which shows a map containing markers for each issue and a count of all issues. As before, you can zoom into the map, click on each issue, and each issue will show the issue's title and a truncated description of the issue. You can also click on this pop-up to go to the issue details screen. So opening the nav drawer, we can now see that we have some authentication options, login and register. When the app starts initially, an anonymous user is created on Firebase. Users can then use the app as normal within this account and then link it with an email and password later using the register screen. I'll do that now. Link this anonymous account with an email and password. So as before, there's some validation here happening. So now I've created an account, and if I go back to the navigation drawer, we can see that the options have changed for us. That's because this navigation menu is auth context sensitive. So for now, let's log out with this new user. We'll go back to the overview screen and we'll log back in actually as this user. And on this page, we also have previous validation similar to before. And there's now a forgot password option. And the forgot password button sends a password reset email to the email specified. I'll not go through this process now, but it is working. So I'll just continue to log in. So after logging in, we can see that the nav context has once again changed back to the logged in state, and we can continue to use the app as normal. So I'm now going to create an issue for this new user. So I'll give it a name. Description. We can give it a status, an initial status, using this drop-down menu. So let's just say it's in progress. I've also created this custom image picker, so I can choose an image in my gallery. So I'll choose this one, and using this custom location picker, I can select a location. Select a location for the issue. So let's just say there's fine, and I'll hit submit. So we'll now be brought back to the issues page. We should see here somewhere. Yes, here's our new issue. Rubbish issue. You can see our image here, and if we click on this, we can see more details about it, or go back to the previous menu. So you'll also notice that there's a delete option here, and I can only delete issues that I've created with this account as this user. You notice there's not a delete option here for this issue or this issue here, and the same is true We also have this filtered my issues list. The same is true there. We can delete our issues. So I'll do that now. I'll delete this issue that we just created. And the issue is gone. It should be also gone from this list. Yeah. And what I can do now is actually go to the account settings page, and what I'm going to do is delete the account that we just created. So I'll delete this account, and this will bring us back to the overview page, the screen, and we're back to a logged out state. Some other things to talk about here. Mentioned it in the other video. We have these icons which show the issue status, the creation date. If we press this drop down, we get this animated kind of bouncy effect that shows more details, the description, as well as a thumbnail. Going to show more shows the full image and a map with a marker to the image. And we can go back, and the UI state is remembered here. You'll notice that. So another thing I can talk about is the night mode that has been implemented in this app. It follows the system settings. So if I go to dark theme here, go back to the app, you should now see that it's loaded in it's loaded our dark theme. So I'll just have a quick look around that. You can see how that looks. Back to the overview screen, login screen. The error looks there. What I didn't mention when an issue was created there was a number of things happening. First, what happened was the image was uploaded to the cloud storage with Google, and after the image was uploaded, the URL for that image, as well as the other issue details, were saved in the Cloud Firestore database. And both of those services have been configured to only allow users that are logged in, or authenticated users, I should say, to use those services to upload either upload an image or create an entry in the DB. So that's about it for this app. Thank you for watching.